Here are a few bug fixes and improvements for the Visp web app. This is a brief update, so let's dive in. The issue in the deployment that caused Visp API to be unresponsive is now fixed. The issue with the term end date not recalculating on editing the full term count field value is now fixed. The basic confirmation dialog is now replaced with an HTML modal dialog when adding a credit card or an eCheck account in the vPortal payment information page. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching.